Hey guys, this is Jody with Only Have One Life to Live, and in this video we're going to look at the 2024 Brinkley Model G fifth wheel. Okay guys, today we're looking at the Brinkley Model G. The Brinkley Model G. Huge pass through here. All right, let's see what the everything you need to know about this video is in the description below. Flex Power 55i generator, lithium iron phosphate batteries, a 3,000 watt pure sine wave inverter. Remember to like and subscribe. It costs you nothing, but it means the world to us. Got a mow-ride slide in here, that's cool. Slide out.
So they dropped out. There's going to be a handle right here. So pull down the front door. So it's like the handle sticks out.
Radio.
Pull the handle down and tilts down. You got all the lock your pencils. That one's the magnetic knife rack. It's right here.
Like it's got a water filtration system built in. It's got doors that will slide in. Where you can close that area off. Outside refrigerator. Hey guys, let us know in the comments below what you think about this RV.
Did you say the front storage?
Already did that. That's the kind of hitch I want. Two slides on the Brinkley Model G. On this side, a power reel, another mow ride on each side. That's pretty cool. And it's got a mow ride down here as well for even more storage on this side. Again, a power reeled cable. And that's a flat cable. Look at that. That 50 amp is flat. Not round like like most of the others in the industry. It's flat. I bet that makes it wind up very nice and neat. They have an on-demand hot water system. Hey guys, if you'd like a more detailed video, just click the link on the top and we'll make sure we get you over to a more detailed video.
Yay!
Your dimmer's not the one you push like that, but
Yes.
slide.
Okay.
Okay.
I like both.
They've got a built-in air compressor, a built-in 1 gallon half horsepower air compressor. So you can air your tires up or any of your toys or whatever you may have. They got 2 tanks, one for your generator and one for your toys. Each of those are 30-gallon tanks. You have a Liepert level up control, and this has got a back patio here with the shade. All right, so let's go inside this bad boy and let's have a look at it, huh? All right, we're gonna go in the back. It's a back deck here. It's a mow ride deck. Here's your garage area. You have tie downs in place for you. Happy Jack sofa. TV and a little bunk area. We've got a rear bathroom.
That's one-piece bed.
The half bath. Vent fan. Here's all your tank monitoring systems.
Yeah, they did this instead of
Lights.
yeah. So you got the ones the kitchen stand both ones.
And into the kitchen area.
A full bathroom or just
Living area. Tinted windows with shades. Looks like they have screens and full dark out blinds. 80% dark out blinds, I would say. You got a 5,000 BTU electric. You got a pull-out pantry.
Oh yeah, you got step it down.
Up, down.
There you go.
To go now. A little more.
Hold it and push at the same time. There you go.
No.
Not messing with
Oh.
Yeah. You broke it. I'm sure it's just
there's a
cockpit air, probably.
No, he stepped on it.
Yeah.
It didn't click.
Yeah, it clicked, but it wouldn't go back in.
Slide back in.
Oh, there.
You go there?
Yeah.
There we go.
You're free now.
Yeah, you're
You may go.
Quick, get me out of here.
I think you'll be all right. Stove, 3-burner stove, microwave, convection oven looks like. Furion spice rack. This is built-in. You guys see the built-in spice rack?
That's nice.
I installed one of those in mine because we use so much spice. It's good. Pardon me. Oh, I'm sorry, excuse me. Oh, pardon me. There's your bath. Nice shower. Linen closet that pulls out. Plenty of storage space there. That pulls out all the way over the toilet. And then down here looks like a trash can. Any drawer space over here. Oh, full sort of area underneath here.
Oh, really?
That's pretty cool. Bedroom. You could definitely have a dance party in here.
Yeah.
Might be a little tight.
Underneath the bed.
Yeah, it's right underneath the mattress. Well, we'll switch you around.
There's people out of there.
We'll jump out. Man in the ship.
Step in, get out of your way. Sorry.
No worries.
Okay, and here's the bedroom. King bed.
I like the bookshelf there.
Hanging closet here. Shoe storage on the side and whatever else you might want to stash over there. Not bad. Good storage area. And here's your Splendide washer and dryer. More storage over here. sliding dresser drawer on top so you can put your valuables. Drawers.
Some of it, yeah.
We hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you next time.